Good evening. Tonight we're making the butter bread. You like the butter bread? You eat the butter bread. You make the butter bread. Okay. We're going to make it in a bread machine. And the first thing you want to do is add the liquids. Milk, 1/3 a cup, 1/3 cups, about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Put it in the microwave a little bit. If it's warm to the touch, that's what you want about. So milk, add that. Liquids go first. Next, 1 large egg, room temperature. Add that. Next will be the butter, warmed to room temperature also. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Don't worry about the clumps. That little black thing there is the mixer, and that will mix up the clumps. And next are the dry materials. And we go for 4 cups of flour. Make sure it's bread flour. It's gonna spill. Next, salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons. It's stuck. It's stuck. I gotta add some manually. Mix it up a little bit. Next, sugar, 3 tablespoons. Mix it up a little bit. Basically, you don't want the yeast touching it. The yeast can touch the flour, that's okay. Make a little well, which is like a little hole, I guess. Then you add the yeast. Oh, no. And then we add it to the machine. Then I'll show you how to turn it on. And we're using the Elite Gourmet bread maker. That's what you want it to look like before you're in there, before we start it. Close the lid. Menu. Press the menu. We want 3. 3 is sweet. After you press menu to 3, go to weight. The amount I put in is for 2 pounds. See that arrow up there? We want it to go to the 3rd. And then we go to color setting, which is basically, do you want it very bright, white, or do you want it dark, crispy? Light, medium, dark, right there. I want mine light. And after that, press start, and that's it. And this will now work for another 3 hours and 50 minutes, all by itself. It'll rise, it'll set, and it'll bake, and in 3 hours and 50 minutes, it'll be done. And after that, we waited about an hour, and then that's it. Enjoy. As you'll see, it's already in a bowl. It's still mixing it up. It'll mix it up for a while more. Only got 3 hours and 31 minutes left, so that did that in 41. So 19 minutes. 19 minutes and made a ball, and it's still gonna be going. Still kneading, and it's 2 hours and 38 minutes left. See, it's growing now. It's going to be heating up soon. And we'll be cooking it, but it's rising nicely. There's 28 minutes left. And it's been off for 20 minutes already. Just had to let it sit for 20 minutes, and we're going to take it out. Twist.